हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI MSTAT का क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। कुछ भी डाउट्स हो, डायरेक्ट क्लासेस लेने हो, आप मुझे डायरेक्ट इस नंबर में कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। तो 10 में क्या है, सिटी हैज़ n हाउसहोल्ड्स एंड नंबर एज 1 to n, YI डिनोट द साइज ऑफ द ith हाउसहोल्ड और सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पल S1 लिया है विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ, हाउसहोल्ड को एक एक करके चूज कर रहा है। अनदर इंडिपेंडेंट सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पल S2 हैज टेकन and size of m with respect to this households n minus m plus 1. So assume that m less than equal to n and m greater than n by 2. So suppose pi I equal to this value. So probability that the ith household include either of the two samples for I equal to 1 to n. Okay, so how to solve this thing? So we need to find out this pi I here. So pi I p I belongs to S1, S2. Okay. So probability of the IS household is included in either of S1 or S2. So rest of the thing are given over here. So we consider the three cases. Case 1, 1 less than equal to I less than equal to m. Case 2, n minus m plus 1 less than equal to I less than equal to n. Okay. And m less than I less than n minus m plus 1. Okay. So that means household of I is in the first group of household. Then this is the second group. This is the either of the sampling group. First, second, either. Okay. So if we proceed into this, then how to do that? तो मान लेते हैं. So now I1 equal to I less m. So now in the first case सब लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? So the household is I is included. So for the household I is included in the sample S1. So that is m by capital M. So the probability of the household I is included into sample S2 is 0 because S2 is drawn from n minus m plus 1 dot 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 n in this pool. So this is a pi I. So probability of I S1 union S2. So this is I of S1, I of S2, 0 m by m. Okay. So for the second case में ऐसे ही करेंगे. So the second case, n minus m plus 1 less than equal to I less than equal to n. So the probability of household I is included in sample S1 is 0, and as it is drawn from the 1 to m, so there is no chance, and the probability it is dependent on S2 is now reverse m by m. Okay, so here pi I will be 0 plus m by m. So that is m by m. So probability that household included into S1 is 0, S2 is 0 in the third case. Third case is 0 plus 0. ठीक है, दोनों में ही नहीं है. So pi I probability of I intersection S1 union S2 is 0. So summarizing this, we can say that pi I equal to either small m by capital M or 0.